Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Do you love to get this kind of author box below your blog post? If you want to get same author box in your WordPress blog post, you may watch this tutorial. I will show you how you can get the similar author box for your blog post. Right now I am on my website dashboard. For that author box, I need to install a plugin. Before installing the plugin, I want to visit my all post section. After that, I want to open a post. Let me show you, is there has any author box below the content? You see, there has no author box below the content. So I am going to plugin page. After that, I need to add new plugin. And here I am going to search with Molongui authorship. This is the plugin name. I want to install this plugin. So this is the plugin. Click on install now. After that, click on activate. So we installed this plugin. Let's check their settings option. I'm going to settings page. After installing, if you see your author box enable is disabled here, you must need to enable it first. And if I come to the down, then display automatically show the author box on all. So you have to define where it should automatically display. By default it's showing the post, but if you want to display this author box below your page, you can include it. But I think post is perfect for the author box. After that, manually add the author box on handpicked. So if you want to enable it, you can choose the post or page, but I don't want to enable this option. After that, here has an option, place author box like above the post content, above and below the post content. So obviously we want to visualize our author box below the post content. So select this option, it's very important. Okay, next come to the contributor page. There has nothing to do. If I come to the guest author, we need to enable this option also, because in your blog, if have any guest author, below their post, their author details will show in a author box. So must enable it. And come to the co-authors. For example, for your blog post, there has a multiple author. If two or three writers together write a article, and if you want to publish that article with mentioning all of the author, that time this option will help you. So you need to enable this one. Then you can choose multiple author below the blog post. Okay, so here has a settings for the multiple author. How you want to display the multiple author, here has an option like all authors name you can post by line. If you select like only the author name who is the main author, so if you want anyone, you can select which one you think perfect for your blog, you can choose anyone. But I think all author name is perfect. And make author name link to the author page, this is good option. So I think we need to enable this option also. After that, user, so you can check all of the options, which option are needed for your blog, you can enable those options. If I come to more page, then there is an option like enable guest authors and multi authors on post, page, or both, or only post or only page, anyone you can select. And after that, social network, I mean, select those social network you want to enable for those author. So by default they have lots of social media profile here. which one you think you need to display, you can select that one. And if I come to the advanced option, there has a few other settings also. So which one you need to enable, you can enable it. So I have completed all of the settings option. Whatever I need, I already enabled all of the settings. So now I have to check that author box are displaying below my blog post or not. As already I enabled author box for my all of the post, let me check is it working or not. So I am going all post section. After that I want to open that post which one I already checked before installing the plugin. So I am going to the bottom after conclusion. You see, after conclusion, this author box is displaying here. Now you may ask a question, how this photo, this description, it got here. I didn't give anything on Mulongoi authorship plugin. You need to add these things by edit your profile. So you can go for edit profile, top right corner, there has an option for edit profile, or if you go your dashboard, after that you have to go user option. So visit this user profile. After clicking on user, you will get all of the user list here. For my website, only one user. So click on edit profile. After clicking the edit profile, from user part or from top right edit profile, both are same. Both will redirect you the same page. So after clicking there, you will get a option for Molongoi authorship. There has an option for full bio. Whatever you will write here, that details will display here as a this author details. And after that you can include the photo of that author, and below you can include the professional information like phone number, job title, company website, and below you can include his or her, I mean that author, all social media profile. So that's all. By this way you can enable this author box for your blog post. I love this author box, it's very attractive and it looks good. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.